Hello, this is just a quick update video to catch you guys up on what has been happening. I have just updated all of our pre-existing asset packs with improved shaders and have added our official generic grass to all of our packs. The scaffolding asset pack has just received improved simple collision meshes to be more optimal for video games. We have also started to sell individual FBX assets like canisters, skips, canteens, containers, barricades, and so on. We'll be uploading a handful of assets every week at affordable prices. Our photoscanned beachfront asset pack has received a much needed overhaul. With more structures, more detail, and new grass meshes, as well as a new lighting setup, it certainly looks more like a beachfront than it was before. The beachfront pack also received some updated texture visuals, and I've also added the light function master material to cast shadows from your directional light actor. We had some trouble with FAB over the week, but everything has been settled, and our construction site pack will be on by the weekend as I mentioned last week. And I certainly can't wait to show off our next project, Highland Ruins pack. We have teased this pack before in a couple of our YouTube shorts, but now we are officially assembling the asset pack and it will be ready early in May. We've also been pretty quiet about the video game we are developing, Tanks and Conflicts, but we have made tremendous strides in our project and soon we'll be showcasing them on its own YouTube channel. In case you wish to connect or need questions answered, or maybe you've run into an issue with one of our packs, then join our public Discord server. Link to that is in the description.